we developed a solution for dual powertrain platform structure, which is an industry first, still dominant, cost effective, and flexible, of course, adaptable to both electric variant and ICE variants. The core of our innovation is the platform structure because this is the vehicle skeleton that accommodates major platform aggregates. It defines the platform bandwidth, vehicle level commonality, and vehicle safety characteristics.
Our innovative, highly adaptable platform structure balances between production cost and flexibility to manufacture more vehicle types as the flexible structure can accommodate IC and EV drivetrains. We developed an efficient Trident load path, which we named as ECAA, which is Efficacious Crash Energy Architecture. This helps in distributing crash energy efficiently for EVs and IC structures. We replaced underfloor crash energy architecture by an in-cabin crash energy architecture, and this totally disrupted the load path strategy. This innovation opens the world of opportunity for us as the structure enables us to meet Europe and US 5-star safety standards during virtual validation. Our innovation has helped OEMs in reducing time to market with reduced investment and manufacturing costs by allowing them to produce several cars from a single platform. Its flexibility and scalability support a wide product portfolio with 6 vehicle types and 15 plus variants ranging from compact SUV to large MPV.